The following message is transmitted at the request of YouTube. This is not a test. Pewdiepie needs your help. T-Series, who has over 77 million subscribers, might overtake Pewdiepie soon. This can cause a launch of a nuclear weapon that can strike YouTube HQ. To prevent this, all persons who have a YouTube account must subscribe to Pewdiepie immediately, and unsubscribe from T-Series to prevent them from overtaking Pewdiepie. Stay tuned to local media outlets for news and information on this developing and potentially dangerous situation.